Winter can be tough on your home, and ice dams are no joke. They form when snow melts and refreezes on your roof, leading to leaks, damaged shingles, and clogged gutters. But you don't have to let the cold weather win. I'm excited to introduce our Roof and Gutter De-icing Kit, the ultimate solution to protect your roof and gutters. This all-in-one kit includes a 120-volt heating cable, clips, and spacers for a straightforward, do-it-yourself installation. Here's why you need it. Ice dams and frozen gutters can cause serious damage, leading to costly repairs. Our kit melts snow before it can build up into damaging ice dams, protecting your home all season long. Measuring your kit is easy. Simply measure the total length of your roof's edge and gutters to determine the right cable length. We offer multiple options ranging from 20 to 240 feet, so you get the perfect fit. Installation is a breeze. Lay out the cable along your roof and gutters, attach it using the included clips and spacers, and plug it in. No extra controls needed. You'll be ready to take on the winter with confidence. Our heavy-duty 5-watt per foot heating cable is built to withstand the harshest conditions, providing reliable de-icing performance. Plus, it's UL listed for safety, so you can trust it to protect your home for years to come. Don't let ice and snow cause damage this winter. Protect your home with our Roof and Gutter De-icing Kit and enjoy a worry-free season. Thanks for watching.